Yes. 1.4. Yeah. Let's go see what we got fucking on the grizzle. Everybody, it's an ultra day. Got these chickens going. So we got these chicks, 4 racks of ribs, some tips. We'll get to those here soon. These are looking fucking delicious. Alright, 4 racks of ribs, 2 tri-tips. We got more. Let's see what this guy's got going. Oh, you gotta turn your heat up, baby boy.
No, I'm letting it slow cook, baby. You know what I'm saying? Ultra Brigade, Audioholics, be in here. Doing it.
That's how we do it. At Ultra headquarters. Oh, we need these.
We don't want to expose too much. You know?
No exposure. This is how we do it. 2 10Ks. Take a little peek. Ooh. What do we got in there? What are we resting at? A little something? Alright. Con? Race con? Yeah. Ultra low. Get some of that down there. Jeff-boo! Jeff!